10 ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಳ್ದಾಗಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಹತ್ತುವ ಒಂದು ಸುಸಂದರ್ಭ. ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ, ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇಡುವ ಒಂದು ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಬರೋದಾದ್ರೂ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ಫೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಹೆಸರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಫೋರ್ಟ್, ಅದು ಸುತ್ತ ಇಂದೊಂದು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಯು ಗಾಯ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ದೇರ್?
Doesn't feel like leaving the view.
Yeah, but fort is not at all good. Looks like a compound.
It is a compound.
Compound, just a compound.
Compound to get this.
I was just thinking, just fort is there, but this viewpoint is very good.
Yes. Not many people might be coming.
They just come till there and just go back
There may be a way from there to come towards this.
to this sea. We can get down, but coming back is very
No,
risky.
there may be a way from the other side, I think.
Okay. He looks
Because
like
people are coming.
he looks like one director. His name, I forgot.
Which director? Bollywood
That
or
controversy director,
Anurag Kashyap?
Anurag Kashyap.
I've got
Same.
that a few times.
You're smiling like that only.
Thank you. You are from Bangalore or Mangalore?
Mangaluru,
Mangalore.
coastal.
Okay. So this might be very similar from your hometown as well.
Same only, but view like this is not there. This is good. If you go Varkala, you know,
Yes.
Kerala,
Yes.
you'll be having on cliff, same view, better than this. You can easily walk from here, and it's
We
very
might
risky.
get to Varkala this year itself. Not sure.
We can go there, but I don't know. I saw only
it
2
is-
people,
It seems very near, but it is very.
but
far.
very risky.
Yes. And the place is risky as well because the road there is very slippery.
Uh-huh.
You have to have proper gear for going there.
I think there's a hotel down there. And people are coming
It looks like private property for foreigners. So where you guys work?
I am an interior designer, architect by profession. She works on Instagram,
content.
content creation.
Oh, like me.
You're a content creator.
Yeah,
I can
but not very famous or what.
see. Same
Just
thing, but trying.
yeah, trying. Something should be there as a hobby.
Yes. She mainly does skincare and makeup related, beauty
Okay,
related
okay.
content.
Hope we are getting network here.
We are.
If yes,
We are getting full network.
we can follow here only.
Tanish का call आया है.
कर.
अरे हम लोगों ने सोचा था कि गोवा घूम के आते हैं, गोवा का प्रीमियम वाला साइड मिल गया गलती से.
That without paying anything.
ये देखो व्यू देखो. हाँ.
Please search your.
बहुत रैंडमली हम लोग ऐसे ही नीचे आ गए थे.
How much followers do you have?
I have around 18-19,000.
Okay, good, better than me.
You have?
I have around 3 digits only. Don't ask,
अरे
please.
पता नहीं इधर एक
It's fine.
शूट करके वो फोर्ट का जो ऊपर ही है कंपाउंड, उधर से थोड़ा सा खुला
What's your
रास्ता,
marriage
इधर
photos?
लोग आ गए
Yeah.
नीचे
Pinned
नीचे,
one.
नीचे, नीचे.
Okay, good,
We
good.
got married last.
ये देखो.
Last year.
नहीं नॉर्थ गोवा में ही है, एक फोर्ट है.
Last year
वो
2024
फोर्ट से
we got
व्यू
married.
पॉइंट था,
Okay.
तो हम लोग ऐसे ही नीचे.
Or like fishing also.
ओके.
Fishing is the main topic for me. You can search it as curly crab. Curly crab.
हाँ गॉट इट.
चलो bye guys. Bye bye.
दिस वन राइट.
Okay. It's the main professional.
इधर ऐसा ओवर गर्मी भी नहीं होगा, हवा अच्छा आ रहा है, लेकिन हवा अच्छा आ रहा है.
ನಾವು ಈಗ ಅನುರಾಗ್ ಕಶ್ಯಪ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನುರಾಗ್ ಕಶ್ಯಪ್.
You do vlogging and all?
I do have 3 pages. One is for chumma some creations, entertainment. One is around some topics. All are in Kannada only, most of them. And is fishing. Fishing is from childhood hobby that we can't leave.
Since you live on the coast, so it would be.
Yeah. And also I was in Kerala for around 2 years.
Okay.
There I studied much about fishing. You know, right? Fishing is like in every corner you will be seeing someone is fishing there.
Fishing only. Yeah.
You went Kerala?
No, we haven't gone. That is
Okay.
what we are planning. We may go this year or maybe next year.
Don't keep
If we
anything
are
for
in India,
next year.
if
That's good. And don't keep anything for next year. Always chill. Yeah, that's it.
wherever you have a chance, you just.
Just go.
That is how we planned Goa as well. We weren't planning on coming here.
Uh-huh.
We thought 2 days ago that we might go Goa since we haven't gone.
Okay.
We just left.
I was in Ooty last week. And this week Goa. And next week I will be in Kanyakumari.
So what you do? Like what is your work?
Kanyakumari is just
No,
simply
what is your work?
work.
चल चलेंगे.
We'll try if we have a way to go.
Yeah, that's good. I was about to ask that guy foreigner. He was like not
was
responded.
responding.
Yeah. We just want to confirm whether it's a private property or what.
I don't think it would be a private property because
Okay.
there are a lot of people.
People are roaming around, right?
There may
Just
be
have
a
to
way.
find, yeah, we'll find a way. Let's
We'll better ask is that employees over there.
how much
Some laborers over there, no?
They might.
They might know. I'll ask. ಇನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಯಣ ಬೀಚಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸುತ್ತಾಕೆ ಬೀಚಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ಸಿ ಒಂದು ಗಾಯ ಹೋದೆ
So that is the route we might take to get
Ah.
to that place.
ಟು ದೇರ್ ನಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ಐ ಗೆಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ
No, this isn't the route. There is
Yeah.
a very deep. He may be going there only.
ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೇರ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಬಟ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್
इधर से.
ಹಾಂ
How will you?
No, the place that we got down from is the only place where we can get up as well. This
I think so. It's around 3 to 4 feet. We'll ask someone help. We may have some other ways.
There is a way much ahead.
Which one?
Right there.
There.
Yeah.
We'll go there then.
There is some work going on, so we can get.
Okay. Mind your steps, okay? Broken bottle is here. This place is. ಇಳಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು ಈಗ ಹತ್ತೋ ವಿಚಾರ ಬರೋ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತುಂಟು ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಹೋಲ್ ಉಂಟು ಸುಲಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ಬೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಹತ್ತೇನೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಭರವಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದವರು ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೈ ಬಿಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಾನು ಹತ್ತಿ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಮುಂಚಿನ ವಹಿಸಿದೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಹತ್ತಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಹತ್ತಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮಾತನ್ನು ತಪ್ಪೋ ಮಾತಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಇದು ಫೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ತುವ ಹತ್ತದು ಬಾಯ್ ಇದರ್ ಸೆ ಜಾ ಸಕ್ತಾ ಹೈ ಕ್ಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಂತೆ ಯಾ ಓ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್
इधर नीचे जाने का रास्ता किधर से पता है क्या आपको?
तो दूसरा रास्ता नहीं है गाड़ी से जाने का? तो उधर लोग कैसे जा रहे हैं? आता
वो
है?
पहाड़ी से है रास्ता.
ठीक है.
उधर बूढ़े लोग हैं तो वो लोग तो इधर से गए नहीं रहे.
ಬೆಟರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೇರ್ ನೋ
आगे
Where
से
is yeah solution is there can't even breathe
But it was fun.
this was very fun
we did a similar, actually much better than when we were in Manali.
okay you went Manali also
Not
good
bad.
oh
Even that was a completely unplanned trip. Luckily we got.
Always unplanned trips is happen.
Yeah, that's true.
Luckily we got all the snowfall and everything there. Happens only when you don't think much and just go ahead.
Yes.
Finally.
It was fun.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Give me your contact number, no?
98.
If ever we visit Mangaluru or somewhere,
Yes, please
I'll
do
give
call.
you a call. And if you come to Mumbai, give us a call.
Always.
Tell. 1.
2.
What's your name?
Shakir.
Sorry?
Shakir.
Shakir.
Need water?
I gave you a missed call. Huh?
Okay.
Shakir, what's your surname?
You can just keep as Mangalore, just to identify
Oh,
easily.
Vaishera, yeah.
So 3-1, right? Chaitanya.
Yeah, Chaitanya.
Hello.
Done?
Okay.
Come here.
Okay.
I just asked because we wanted to know how do you get there. Because there
What
may
he
be
said?
some way, no?
He was saying
He's
something, no?
that you just go down from here,
You have to climb the mountain and then there is a way to get
go
down
down.
there.
I told him that बुड्ढे लोग हैं वो तो नहीं जाएंगे वहाँ से.
Not good.
There may be a different way. Maybe people
Driving
might come via
proper.
boats or something.
But the sand and the water is very good.
Yeah, it's very good. Yeah.
It's not an irritating sand and all.
It's very
Do you went Venalam beach?
No, we came
Please
just
go.
yesterday. Now
Yesterday, no?
we
This
are-
evening, please go. That sand is similar as this one.
What's the name?
Venalim.
Benelim.
Benalim.
BENE.
BENA. If you type BENA, it will suggest, I guess.
Then evening we might.
Just open map once. There you can get down. You can enjoy the beach actually.
We want lesser crowd. So that's what we are.
Crowd will be there, but not that much. Because yesterday it
But
was.
good crowd should be there. Aisa.
You want crowd?
No.
No. Okay.
crowd.
We don't want the crowd.
But most of the people is foreigners only there.
Right now where we are staying near Ashwam Beach, Murjim area. So
Okay.
even there aren't a lot
Is that
of
in north or
Indians.
south?
North only. Around 40-45 minutes from here.
Okay,
The beach
okay.
is very clean. The beach is empty as well. There
then
aren't a
that's
lot
good.
of people there. Benolim. It is near south, right?
It's South Goa.
Let's go.
Chalo.
Okay then.
Yes.
Nice to meet
meeting you.
Chaitanya and Ritika. right?
Same.
Okay.
Nice meeting you.
Bye then.
See you.
Okay. Enjoy the trip.
Yes.
Thank you.